catapult is used to launch a ball such that it strikes the wall of the building at the maximum height of its trajectory. If it takes 1.5 seconds to travel A to B, determine the velocity at A, at which it launch angle, and the release of U or the angle theta, and the height H. So, tatlo yung nahanap. Pinahanap yung VA, the angle theta, and the H. No? So, ano yung mga alam nyo dyan? Di ba ang sabi, meron ka ditong vertical component sa initial. This is BAY. Tapos, meron tayo ditong BAX. Dito, ang sabi, highest point daw yan. Tama ba? So, ibig sabihin, horizontal lang yung velocity dyan. We have BBX. Pero yung BBY dyan, 0. No? Kasi nga, final highest point, that is 0. Eh di, anong pwede natin gamitin na formula? Di ba meron tayong formula na BBY equals to BAY minus GT. Kasi may binigay na time travel no? So, ano yung BBY mo dyan? 0, no? Kasi nga, highest point siya. So, this is 0 is equal to BAY minus G by 9.81. Ay, hindi, feet pala siya. So, ang unit mong gagamitin is 32.2 multiplied by the time. 1.5. So, magkano si BAY? 32.2 by 1.5. 48.3. This is meter per second. And then, how to solve? Di ba naman, ang sabi naman natin, equal pa rin naman yung pag-travel niya horizontally, tama? Pag horizontal lang i-consider natin. Di ba, ang BAX is equal yan sa at any point kasi constant velocity. So, that is distance over the time. So, ano yung x traveled niya? 18 feet. Divided by the time na 1.5. Therefore, ang VAX is equal to magkano? 1.18 divided by 1.5. 12 meter per second. O, may BAX ka na tsaka BAY. Eh, di ba ang sabi natin, yung resultant niyan is equal to VAX squared plus BAY squared. So, substitute mo lang. So, yung resultant velocity niya ay square root of 48.3 squared plus 12 squared. 49.7684 feet per second. O, mali ako na sinulat na unit. Sorry. This is feet per second. So, ito na yung sagot sa VA. Next, determine the angle theta. Di ba ang theta lang naman natin is the tangent of theta is equal to VAY over VAX. So, parang resultant lang din. So, magkano si theta? That is the inverse tangent of VAY, 48.3 over 12. So, the theta is equal to 76 degrees. Tama? Okay lang? Okay lang. Then next, the height H. O, din sabi naman natin, di ba pwede ka naman gumamit na yung BBY squared is equal to BAY squared minus 2GS. Diba? Kaso ito yon from this point hanggang B pa lang yung makukuha mo. Ito yon yung Y, yung S sa formula, no? Kasi ay consider mo itong BAY, umangat siya dito. So, substitute BBY, that is 0. Ang BAY mo ay 48.3 squared minus 2 by 32.2 S. So, magkano yung S mo? That is 48.3 squared over 2 by 32.2. 36? 36.225 feet. Kaso, S pa lang yan. May 3.5 pa dito. Therefore, H is equal to S plus 3.5. So, magkano yung H? 39.25. Okay na? Okay lang?